how to do top-down analysis like a pro. We're using Bitcoin USD as a key study. If you don't know how to do top-down analysis, trust me, you are going to have a lot of losses in the market because you don't know exactly what is happening in the bigger picture. So it's going to be a problem for you to time good entries. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I capture good trade opportunities using the simple top-down analysis method. Now, you might want to consider subscribing if you want more of this kind of videos. Now, let's quickly go straight into what I've got for you today. Now, top-down analysis, just like the word says, top down. You start from the top to down. You start from the bigger picture, like the monthly, weekly, daily. Then you now go to lower time frames of like 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes to the 1 minute time frame. So straight to the point, I'm gonna show you exactly how this is done, how I do mine. Now, from the top, I want to figure out where the market is coming from, what is happening, where is it going. You get where the market is coming from, where is the market right now, and where is it going next. That is the essence of using top-down analysis. Now, the first thing you want to do is to bring out some key levels. Now, these key levels will tell you exactly what to expect in the market. So I'm going to just bring out these key levels right here. Okay, I'm going to bring out those key levels right here. Now, in order to bring out those key levels, you will need to know what support and resistance are. So I have a video of support and resistance where I taught exactly support and resistance, what support and resistance are, and how to draw them perfectly. So that will be in the description of this video. So for now, let's deal with top-down analysis. Okay, so I want to first of all draw out these key levels that the market has broken in right now. This is the immediate point where the market is right now. So this is the first side I'm going to consider as a day trader. Okay, then I'm going to use this line to draw at this point, just in case it breaks um, the point we are the point in which we are right now. Just here, I'll be expecting something to happen around this other lines to this other point. Okay, but for now, let's just keep it really cool and clean. So I've been able to draw out these lines and quickly without anybody telling me, I now know that okay, this market has made this clearly right here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is a higher high. And right now it has made this movement to this point, want to create um a lower low. All right. Now, if you are a trader, let me make this very clean. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now it has broken this level here. It's a no-brainer. Now the next thing I'll be expecting, if you're a price action trader, after a higher high, the next thing is a higher low. You understand? After a lower low, the next thing you should be expecting is a lower high. Now, with that information in mind, I'm expecting something like this to happen. After breaking this, I want this guy to come to this level and continue to this point. Right? This is just a no-brainer. I mean, everybody has seen it. It's clear. It has made a higher low and it has made a lower low. So the next thing I'm expecting is a lower high. Really clear. Like everything is quite simple right here. Okay. Now, top analysis helps you to know exactly where the market is going. So right here and now, I would slow down to, with that information I've gotten, I will go down to like the weekly time frame to see what is happening. Okay, so right here, I've been able to bring out this level right here. Looking at this level right now, I can also see some other levels, microstructures in this market. And now all of these structures are still giving us the vibe that this market has started trending downwards. This is it, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. As you can see, the market took time and broke this, made a lower low and lower high. This is a lower low. So I'm expecting something like this to continue, you know, to continue downwards. I'm expecting it. You get it? I'm expecting something like this to keep happening. Now, with that information in mind, I would bring out some structures, support and resistance levels just again. I'll bring out support and resistance levels just again. Now, at these levels, I would look for trade opportunities when price gets to these levels. When price gets to these levels, I will look for trade opportunities. Right here, I'm expecting this market to buy a little bit before I would, you know, get it down, like concentrate on taking a downward movement. Okay, I'm expecting it to get to this point, play around one of these key levels, Fibonacci, or play around this key level that's here, then drop downwards. Okay, so now I've already seen it that okay, this market has changed plans. You've gotten the flow of the market already. It is very simple to get a flow of the market. Now we'll go to daily time frame. This is where we're going to stop this analysis, and we're going to concentrate on capturing trades on a lower time frame. So I start from the daily and weekly, and I start from the monthly, weekly, and daily time frame to analyze the market real quick. So now this alone, like it's quite simple. Now, if price approaches these key levels, breaks them, we are expected to test just like exactly what happened here. It clearly broke this level and tested it. Your entry would be right about here. It's going to be very simple. Now, once you've been able to figure out the trend from the higher time frame, you can now figure a very simple way to trade it. Any entry method you employ, as far as your trading strategy is concerned, your entry method is concerned, you're correct, because now you now know the trend of the market real quick, clean. So right here, right about here, it broke the trend line and broke everything needed to be broken. And we already know that that's a key level. And the next thing is it sold. Just like that, is sold into this region, giving you 1:7, and you held this market for a couple of days. Now, as a day trader that I am, I would still scale in more positions right here. I would scale in more positions because there are structures that are here too. You can see the structure here. You can see that even if you put the Fibonacci from here to here, you can also capture these trade opportunities. Now, this style is for day traders. I'm a day trader. You get it? Now, the first one I showed you is for swing traders. They can hold the trade from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Like they hold this market for 4 days. That's almost a week. If they still hold the trade further down, they can be grabbing all of these peeps. As you can see how the market is actually dancing to the tune. You get it? So right now, let's look at this other structures right here. Look at how it played out picture perfectly. You get it? Now, the market came right here, got to this resistance, made a lower low. Now, clearly, as you can see, it made a lower high right here. Now, this is good. Now, this is good. You're going to be capturing these trade opportunities inside the trend because why? You've been able to know. You've been able to know how the direction of the market, where the market is headed. Okay, so let's quickly do a little bit of. Let me show you a very quick example here how to capture a trade with this. Now, firstly, we've already analyzed the market from the weekly. I've already seen that what I'll be looking for now is bearish opportunity. So now we are here. The price made a higher low, a higher high and a higher low, broke to this point, made a lower low. That is exactly what is happening on the higher time frame right now. On the monthly time frame right now, it has broken and created a lower low. The next thing I'm expecting is a lower high. Okay, a lower high, which is the reason why this market tapped in here. Now you want to capture this trade down. The market now taps in to this region. Now we see that this market has tapped in here, clearly closed on the daily time frame at that key level. Your job is to relax and wait for rates to tap into those levels that you want to trade. You relax. Now this particular day finished, it exhausted. Okay, now let me mark this new day candlestick. Now that it has been exhausted, top down analysis, like I told you, you are not going to see a clear entry here. Once the market closes here, you are not advised to enter immediately. You want to get a precise entry. So to get a precise entry, you will need a lower time frame. That is the reason why I tell you to get the flow from the higher time frame. So you can go to the lower time frame and time better entries. Now we've been able to see that this market closed at a key level. Number one, we are actually following the trend. Number two, confluence, price closed at a key level. Okay, this is a key level. And number three, we got a candlestick pattern, an inverted hammer candlestick pattern. This three information makes a very solid and confirmed trade. Now, this trade has a very high probability of playing in our favor. Then we relax now and go to the 1 hour time frame. Now I'm on the 1 hour time frame looking for things that would tell me that this market wants to sell. All right. Now on the previous day, we got ourselves one beautiful level right here. As you can see how price has been creating. Clearly, even a blind person can see that this market is actually in a bullish trend from here to this point, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low, double top. Right now, this double top right here, that is the reason why this market sold. Okay, but that market has closed right there. Now let's look for what to happen. Still on the same thing, let's look at it. This happened in the night. Okay, now the market broke the neckline. You understand how price action works. I want you guys to understand exactly how price action works. I want you to understand exactly how price action works. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, double top, lower low, lower high, and continuation to the downside. Now this here is a no-brainer. Like everybody can capture this kind of trade opportunities. Everybody, even if you're coming to the market for the first time, if you do this, if you know, like it's a no, it's very simple. You don't need to stress yourself marking a lot of lines on the chart. Okay, no complicated things here. This is the reason why I love price action. Pure price action is key. It is precious. It's just so beautiful. Right about here, you can just enter somewhere around here. You can enter, the first place to enter is here. You can enter here at the break of this point. You get this beautiful trade running right here, and this is it. You'll capture a lot of trade opportunity. Capture a lot of trade opportunity. So this is about giving you about 1 to 10 weeks to reward right here. Now, I want to even get a better fix to the board. So another second entry point would be here. Second entry point would be around here. Second entry point would be around here. Now we go to even a lower time frame. You understand? So I can get the swing of that market, right? I can get the swing of that market. Now look at the swing. Look at how the market played out beautifully. You can even go lower to a lower time frame. Now let's go to lower time frame again. 5 minutes. You can even go to a 1 minute time frame just to time this entry. because now you know the direction of the market. Look at how everything played out. Now, this here would increase your risk to reward and give you a better trade opportunity. Now, look at this. Really, really clear. It is very clear. You cut the trade on a very small time frame. Your risk to reward will be very big. From here to here, from here to this point, and this happened in 1 day. Damn. From here to here. Okay, let's just say from here to this point for the whole day. This is 1 to 34. 1 is to 34 risk to reward. It is crazily amazing. I want you to think about this, guys. It's crazily amazing. This is how to capture good trade opportunity using top-down analysis. You can just mark, okay, a very quick one. Let me just say this so you can just think about it real quick. If you didn't get anything from this video, get this one thing. All right, get this one thing. Go to the high time frame, mark all those key levels I marked. Okay, those support and resistance levels, mark them, wait for price to get to those sides. Once price gets to them, you will see that it will give you trade opportunities that are beautiful. You can just use just trend line break. Just a trend line break like this will give you a very incredible trade opportunity. Like you get smart trades, beautiful trade, exceptional, no guesswork, because now you know the direction. You've seen the bigger picture. You've seen the bigger picture using top-down analysis. Then you're going to be trading in a way that the market, you're flowing with what the market is doing. You're going where the market is going. The market is not going against you. All right, so that is it for this particular video. Subscribe if you want more of things like this.